Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing, we'll discuss about how to create a perfect content marketing strategy. A perfect content marketing strategy that is built will deliver results to your customer. A perfect content marketing strategy will deliver conversions. And what are the key ingredients of a good content marketing strategy? What is a content marketing strategy? Formulating a roadmap implementation plan that is built after a data-driven analysis with an objective of driving traffic, improving customer rate is called a content marketing strategist. The roadmap implementation plan that you built after a data-driven analysis so that you can drive more traffic, improve customer rate is called a good content marketing strategy. Content marketing strategy is an extremely key, important and integral part of our overall digital marketing, online marketing plan where you create, curate, conceptualize, build the content, spread across multiple channels, disseminate across multiple platforms, drive traffic, drive conversions, leading to more and more business. Content strategy includes goals, objectives, media channels, content calendar and analytics. These are the core elements of a good content marketing strategy. What are the key components of a good content marketing strategy? Industry niche sector analysis. The first and foremost point, you need to do a lot of thorough research on the niche, the industry and the sector to whom the content is being planned and executed. Website analysis, competitor analysis and keyword analysis. You need to do a lot of website analysis, threadbare, complete and comprehensive analysis of the websites, the competitors and the keywords that you will be targeting as far as your overall content marketing plan is concerned. Then you create a content marketing plan. What is the content that you want to publish, where you want to publish the content, how you want to publish the content, when you want to publish the content, what are the keywords that are associated and what are the topics that you want to create the content on. Then the social media plan, how you want to attract the social media, what are the plans, what are the execution plan that you have got, what are the platforms that you want to execute, the social media including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest and of course many other YouTube plans and all. You have to actually identify the social media platforms and target them. Email marketing campaigns is an extremely important part of content marketing because you are going to disseminate lot of information through the emails. Do the email campaigns only on the solicited emails, the emails to be sent only to the subscribers who are registered, and use automation tools so that you can track the analytics. Then come the SEO and SEM plan, the search engine optimization and search engine marketing plan. If you want to do paid campaigns, both are extremely important key components of your overall content marketing plan, so that search engine optimization will help you drive organic traffic, search engine marketing will help you drive paid traffic. Then the goals and the objectives. What are the goals, the objectives, how you want to achieve the goals and the objectives of overall content marketing plan. Then it has to be a customer-centric approach. What is a customer-centric approach? Analysis of the targeted customers. When you plan to create the content, you need to create the content only for the targeted traffic and you need to do a lot of research on the targeted customer. Demographic and geographic analysis. Where the content is to be published, to which is the geography and what is the demography. This has to be clearly outlined in your content marketing plan. Then the segmentation, how you want to target, to whom you want to target, the segmentation has to be clearly defined. Customer centric marketing, the marketing that you do as far as your content is concerned, it has to be absolutely focused on customer centric. Learning, aligning, mapping and engaging the content. Learn, analyze, map and measure the content. It has to be completely aligned with what the customer are looking for and map your content against the requirements of your customer. Measuring, analysis and continuous improvement. When you actually have the content published, you are disseminating across multiple channels, the content success has to be measured in terms of the analytics, and every decision that you take has to be based on the data driven analytics. what is the customer, they are coming, where they are coming from, their geography, their demography. The entire plan has to be analyzed so that you can go on doing continuous improvement to drive more and more conversions. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is content marketing strategy, key components of a good content marketing strategy, and of course customer-centric approach as far as your content marketing plan is concerned. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.